Hi, to pair your Google Pixel Watch free with Android phone, as a first step, you need to wake up your watch by pressing Crown button. And then if Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on your phone, then you'll get this immediate pop-up window that you can connect a new device. So you can tap here, and now it is connecting our watch. You should see this pin code. If it matches, then tap confirm. And wait a bit till it will be connecting your watch to Google Pixel app. So yep, if you haven't installed this app, then you need to go in Play Store, tap on search bar, and here enter Pixel Watch, and then install this app. And after that, it will be immediately opened and you need to sign in your Google account. So from here, tap to sign in, pick your account, tap continue as, and here you can copy accounts to your watch. So select to copy it. And here you would need to use your PIN code to confirm that you want to connect this watch. And now we are just waiting. So here, as usual, agree with terms of service. Then you can read about warranty, but if not, just tap continue and go next. And now, for example, I performed backup of my watch because I used it before, so I can restore its data or select don't restore and set it up with like a brand new device. So you need to choose watch orientation such as wrist. So I'm gonna pick left and crown on the right side. This is the crown on the watch, by the way. Then tap continue. Here tap continue, then next, and then again, and once more. And if you want to, you can connect your watch to Fitbit app. So here you'll see option to install Fitbit. I suggest you to install it because with this app you can track your activity and also maintain your health data. In my case, app is already installed, so I can immediately open it and set up watch with this app, but I'm gonna pick not now and do it later. Here as well, tap continue. If you want to set up Google Assistant and be able to say hey Google on your watch, then you can tap here to set up, or you can do it later on your watch through these settings. So let's select not now. And here you can set a lock for your watch or also skip this step. You will need to set lock to be able to make contactless payments, by the way. So there is an option to add your card to Google Pay, and here you can set it up, or just as usual, do it later. Let's tap not now. And on your watch you should receive this information, setup complete. And the same we are going to receive on the phone. So you can see that watch is ready, and on your watch you should see information starting. So tap more and then tap done. And after that, you'll see this tab with status connected, battery level of your watch, its name, and all of its information right here. So wait a few seconds. And you'll see that you can review some navigation basics, but we're going to tap no thanks. And can just use watch right away. So you can press crown to open list of apps, swipe down for quick settings, swipe up for notifications, swipe left or right for tiles. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.